I wanted to cover both the methods in one video, but since the last video was getting too long, I decided to create another video on the campaign creation, and in this video I will be discussing the second type, that is the masking method. And I will be also discussing the bidding strategy because I didn't finish it in that video. So the bidding strategy can apply to both the methods. Now, since I mentioned that Bing Ads is very affiliate friendly unlike other networks, and that you can do direct linking, one thing I wanted to mention is like you still have to go through their policies, because there are some offers, some adult offers, gambling type of offers which you cannot promote in Bing Ads. And if you are trying to do something like promote adult offers, you have to contact Bing Ads, because I think I have never done it, but I think they do have. Bing Ads has some guidelines for advertisers who are accepted into the adult advertising program. But you have to go through their restricted and disallowed content to see what type of content, products and services are allowed to be promoted or which are banned. Now generally I tend to promote offers that are related to BizOp, and BizOp offers, business opportunity offers, does very well with Bing Ads, survey offers. Many of the ClickBank offers also are doing well with Bing Ads. E-commerce offers like sale of like the niche that we have chosen, NordVPN, and some of the health related offers like CLA Safflower Oil from Max Bounty, or a 3-week diet. And I also did some research using Bing Profit Planner, and you can see some people are using their ClickBank Hop link, and they are promoting the 3-week diet. So if they are allowed to, your competition is doing it, which means their ads are getting approved. So you can also do the same, and this way you can also find out if the offer is being allowed to promote in Bing Ads or not. Now coming back to the second method of direct linking, that is the masking method. What I generally like to do is create a single keyword ad group campaign. So what does that mean? So for single keyword ad group campaign, I like to create 5 to 6 ad groups targeting some buyer keywords like best VPN, purchase VPN, top VPN, buy VPN, order VPN, etc. And I like to group those keywords into individual ad groups and have multiple match types, that is the broad, face and exact match type in the same ad group. Plus I like to use the titles in the keywords in the titles, descriptions and domain names. All this helps to improve your quality score, and this is the ideal way that if you are going to use the masking method, instead of directly adding multiple like 50 to 100 or 150 keywords into one campaign, you can try to use the single keyword ad group campaign, and I will show you quickly as to how to do the same. Since we are going to target 3 match types of the same keyword per ad group, this is the way that we will be getting traffic when somebody is searching the search phrase. Let us say that we are targeting purchase VPN. As I already told you that we will be targeting 4 or 5 keywords, and I already discussed the match types before, will be the most targeted, but the traffic will be very less. So if somebody is searching the search phrase purchase VPN and we are targeting the exact match type, our ad will show up, but it will be very targeted, but we will get very less clicks. Since we are also using the phrase type, and if somebody types in, let us say, purchase cheap VPN, because if you remember how the phrase match type works, we will have more traffic than the exact match type, but it will be somewhat semi-targeted. And lastly, since we will also be using the modified broad match type, we will get the least targeted traffic, but we will get a lot of clicks. So any keywords that include the keywords purchase and VPN, like any search phrase that the searcher is typing, our ad will show up. So this is our strategy with regards to the keywords when we are using the masking method of direct linking. Now I'll also discuss about tracking, because we need to do the tracking part before we can mask our links. Now since we don't have a tracking software, we are limited to tracking inside of our CPA network. And it is very easy to do. All you have to do is go to your CPA offer, and we need to track our sub ID. That is, we need to select the first option, that is sub ID is being used to enable my own tracking only, and we need to enter our seed keyword like purchase VPN, and you just simply have to click the save pixel button. Once you do that, and when you go to your tracking code, you will see that your keyword is appended to the end of your tracking link. So this way you will be able to track which of the keywords are bringing you the clicks or conversions. So this is how you can track your keywords with literally no cost, without any need for any tracking software when you are using the direct linking method. So once you register a domain name and get hosting, you need to download and install this plugin PrettyLink, and I will be leaving a link for the same in the members area. So once you download and install PrettyLink, all you have to do is choose the redirection type as cloaked, and in the target URL you will be adding the Max Bounty affiliate link with the keyword appended towards the end of the affiliate link. And you also need to add purchase VPN at the end of the PrettyLink. So once you do this, you will have something like this, like you will have your domain as bestvpndeals.us/purchase VPN. So this will become one of your domains that you will target inside of Bing ads when you are only targeting the search phrase purchase VPN. As I told you that for each of these search phrases, that is order, purchase VPN, buy VPN, best VPN, we are going to have the name of the keyword in the domain name, and that is the reason why we are creating multiple hyperlinks inside our domain. So you will repeat the same steps, like you will first go to Max Bounty, and now instead of purchase VPN you will add the keyword buy VPN, and then you will go to your PrettyLink manager and create another target URL with the buy VPN appended towards the end of the affiliate link, and in PrettyLink also you will add buy VPN. So as many key phrases as you going to have in your campaign, you need to add a separate subdomain for each of them, because as I mentioned that we will be targeting each of the key phrases separately, and this will improve your quality score. So if you're targeting the key phrase order VPN and you have the keyword in the title, the description, as well as in the domain name, this will help to improve your quality score in Bing ads and reduce your CPCs. So now that we have cloaked our domain, and we also have created a tracking link in Max Bounty, we are ready to create a campaign using the cloaking or masking method of direct linking. So once again, all you have to do is create a new campaign, and we can name the campaign as VPN1, and the remaining steps are the same. So I will pause the video and I will choose the daily budget and the country, etc. So now that we have chosen the country and we also chosen the targeted location, very similar to the other method that I showed you in the previous video. Now the difference here is, as I mentioned, we are going to target the three match types of one keyword in the same ad group. And this is how we will be doing it. Like, we will have the exact phrase and the broad match type of the keyword in the same ad group, and now we can start creating our ad. So the first thing is that we need to enter our destination URL. The final URL is nothing but the destination URL, and this time, instead of entering the Max Bounty direct affiliate link like the way we did in the previous video, we will be adding our custom domain, that is cloaked or masked domain here. And what will eventually happen is when somebody clicks on our destination like URL, they will be redirected directly to the CPA offer. So that is the reason why we used Pretty Link to hide our Max Bounty affiliate link. Now coming to the display URL, you can see that Bing Ads is showing the display URLs as bestvpndeals.us. As I mentioned that we need to have the keyword in the title description as well as the ad text and the display URL as well. So we will simply add the best VPN in the display URL so that it shows up here. So I quickly came up with some ad copy that I got directly from the offer, that they are having a special deal for a 2-year plan. And once again, I have used the keyword best VPN in the title. I also used it in the ad text, and the URL also, display URL also has the keyword. So now we can simply create another ad group, and it is all rinse and repeat. So now we have to repeat the same process with by VPN. First you will add all the three match types as keywords, and then you will create your ad after you have done the previous step, that is of masking the affiliate link using Pretty Link. And you will simply use buy VPN over here, and you will simply change the title to buy VPN and buy affordable VPN special deal for 2-year plan. So I generally only tend to change the keyword, and I keep the ad copy the same. So once you have rinse and repeated for all the keywords, like you create different ad groups, that is inside the campaign VPN1, we are creating an ad group for best VPN, we are creating an ad group for buy VPN, and you can also name your ad groups that way. And you can simply click the save button, and you are ready to go to the last step, that is of the bidding. Now once again, here in this step, a lot of people have confusion, like how much to bid for. Like if I'm going after any particular niche, what is the bid that I should start with? So if you're just starting out with a new niche inside Bing Ads, like if you're going after the VPN niche, I would suggest like you can bid once again that whatever you're comfortable with. Just like the way we were setting a daily budget, you can bid somewhere between 20 to 30 cents. And once your campaign goes live and your ad starts running for 24 to 48 hours, you will get an idea. And I'll show you in the optimization video of some of the stats that I got when I ran the brain supplement niche, and what sort of status messages got displayed once the campaign went live. So this is the last step, that all you have to do is choose your bid. Now in this campaign, I have not done advanced targeting like the demographic targeting or scheduling, etc., because I still don't know what is my demographic that will be the best for the VPN niche. But you can always do these kind of demographic research using tools like SEMrush or SimilarWeb. Now another thing I wanted to discuss is how do we go about adding negative keywords. And we already did some research for negative keywords for the VPN niche, like showed you in the previous video, keywords like free, download, or research based keywords. So adding the negative keywords is very simple. We need to go to shared library, and here you can see view campaign negative keywords, and then you can add the negative keywords free, like, or choose all the three match types and add it to our campaign, so that when somebody searches for the key word free or free download, our ad will not show up. And similarly, you can do the same step for all the other negative keywords that you have researched before, or once you find after your campaign is starting to run. So that's it for this video on how to do a direct linking campaign using the masking method.